All right, we are going to take a look at Dogecoin here. So Dogecoin, I think we cleaned up the chart here, but I think Dogecoin, a lot of people are calling for $1 or more. Some people I see calling for $2. But a lot of things that I'm seeing on the larger time frames, the weekly and the monthly, if we draw Fibonacci's from the November 2021 high to the low, I think a lot of things are going to break their previous high and about 2x, and a 2x from the previous high on Dogecoin, like a lot of other things out there, a lot of the older things that topped out in 2021. I think everything is going to go about a 2x above the high, which puts you pretty much at the 1272 here. So I think that's reasonable. The bull run's going to get really crazy all of a sudden, and things are just going to start flying. And I know you have to kind of look at market caps. I know this, but some things just go completely parabolic, and they may have a ridiculous market cap for about a day, but it is not going to last. So I do think Dogecoin can potentially, from where we are right now, looking at the monthly chart, we're just going to go from where we are right now, right below that 236 at 9.5. You can see that if Dogecoin does end up coming up to the $1.55 mark, you could see that as a 1600% move. So potentially a 16x on Dogecoin. And if you are not aware, Dogecoin is an easy 10x. So if you're looking for a 10x for the bull run, there's no doubt in my mind that Dogecoin is going to easily 10x. But my target is about $1.55, and you can see that it's a 16x, but almost a 17x. So, just pick your poison. But keeping it real simple on Dogecoin, it's that simple. You can see that going from the monthly time frame here, and if we go from the low all the way back here in March of 2020 to that high in 2021, perfect 382 monthly candles on that support at about 6 pennies here. And if we go from the high here in 2021 to the low, you can see the price is now been right below that 236 here at that red line at about 9.5. So as long as you stay above 6, which it doesn't look like it will ever fall below that price area, it could come back down to 6 and give you one last time to buy in here. Remember, this is the monthly candles, by the way. So, you could have a 22% drop down before this thing decides to go up. And the price to beat, once we get over 9.5, 9.5 pennies on Dogecoin, you'll know that this thing's probably going to start moving to these higher price targets. So if we get this off of the screen, you can see after 9.5, we have 14. And we'll just simply measure it from here. So if we end up breaking over 9.5, that is a 16% move. The next resistance you can see is a 68% move up to that 14-cent mark on Dogecoin. So yeah, Dogecoin to the moon. It's holding up really strong. If we just zoom out on this monthly chart here, look how bullish this thing is. It came up, hit the 382, and just held like a champ here. So yeah, I think $1.50 Dogecoin is not crazy or off the table. I think it's definitely on the table, and Dogecoin is probably going to 15, 16x here. So if you're looking for a safe bet, everybody knows about Dogecoin, and Dogecoin will run pretty hard. It may even go higher than that. Like, people are calling for $2, so who knows? So we will leave it at that on Dogecoin. Good luck, not financial advice, and we will see you in the next update. Peace out.